Hi, I'm Regina Cannon-Tremmel, and I'm the owner of Bella Donna Florist in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. We've been partners with Len Busch Roses for over 15 years. What I value most about my partnership with Len Busch Roses is their commitment to each other's success. When you're a small business, you don't always have a sounding board to bounce ideas and concepts off of, but Len Busch Roses has always been that for me. Sharing ideas and knowing that you're going to get an honest, direct opinion, whether you're talking to Patrick, to your salesperson Cindy or Ray, or to the purchasing department, has been invaluable for my business. We succeed when we work together has always been Len Busch's theory, and it's ours as well. One thing that makes Len Busch Roses different is obviously their Minnesota-grown product. Our store hangs our hat on being 65% Minnesota-grown fresh flowers all year long. We find that to be a unique selling point. Our customers love knowing that they're not only supporting one local business, but two, and all the employees that come with that. If someone was looking for a wholesaler, what I would tell them to look for is relationship. And you're definitely going to find that at Len Busch. It may not be with your first salesperson, but don't be afraid to move, because that's going to be key, is developing that trust and that partnership with your salesperson. And that's the one thing I've seen Len Busch be good with, is reacting and finding the right person for each shop.